In this video, we're going to look at applications of a polynomial. In one, it says, find a polynomial that represents the area of the triangle. And we have a triangle with a height of 2x plus 2 and a base of x plus 4. And the formula for the area of a triangle is area is equal to 1/2 base times height. And now it wants us to write the expressions that represent b and h. So we said the base was equal to x plus 4, and the height is equal to 2x plus 2. And now we want to write the product that represents the area. So area is equal to 1/2 times x plus 4 times 2x plus 2. And now they want us to perform the multiplication. So the first thing that I'm going to do is multiply 1/2 times one of my factors. And because 2x plus 2 has two coefficients that when multiplied by 1/2 would give us whole numbers, it would be easier. So I'm going to do 1/2 times 2x plus 2. 1/2 times 2x is equal to x. And 1/2 times 2 is equal to 1. So we have x plus 1 times x plus 4. And now we want to multiply these two binomials. So we're going to FOIL. And this will be x squared, x times x, plus we have x times 4 is 4x, plus 1 times x is equal to x, and 1 times 4, so plus 4. And this is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 4. And now it wants us to state the answer. So we can say the area of the triangle is x squared plus 5x plus 4 units squared. Anytime we're dealing with area, we're going to have some form of units squared. And since they didn't give us any specific units, we're just going to use units. In 2, it says, find a polynomial that represents the volume of the cube. And they want first the formula for volume of a cube. So volume is equal to length times width times height. And now it wants us to write the expression that represents L, W, and H. And L is going to be equal to x plus 4. W is going to be equal to x plus 3. And H is going to be equal to x plus 1. And now they want us to write the product that represents the volume. So we're going to have volume is equal to x plus 4 times x plus 3 times x plus 1. And now they want us to perform the multiplication. So we have three binomials here. So we're going to multiply two of the binomials together using the FOIL method. So I'm going to multiply x plus 4 times x plus 3, and I get x squared plus 7x plus 12 times x plus 1. And now we're going to multiply our trinomial times our binomial. And this is going to be x squared times x plus 1 plus 7x times x plus 1 plus 12 times x plus 1. And this is equal to x squared times x is x cubed plus x squared times 1 is x squared plus 7x times x is 7x squared plus 7x times 1 is 7x plus 12 times x plus 1 is 12x plus 12. And now we're going to combine our like terms. So we have x cubed, and we have an x squared plus 7x squared is 8x squared. And 7x plus 12x is equal to 19x plus 12. And now they want us to state the answer. So the volume of the cube is x cubed plus 8x squared plus 19x plus 12 units cubed. In 3, it says, find a polynomial that represents the area of the non-shaded region. Let A represent this area. So the non-shaded region is inside this rectangle and excluding the shaded triangle. So this area that we're looking for is A. And now it says find the area of the rectangle. An area of a rectangle is equal to length times width, and L is equal to 4x plus 3, and W is equal to 2x minus 2. So area is equal to 4x plus 3 times 2x minus 2, and this is equal to 8x squared minus 8x plus 6x gives me minus 2x minus 6. And now they want the area of the triangle. And to distinguish between our areas, I'm going to call this area R. And now we have area T. And this is equal to 1/2 base times height. And our base is equal to x plus 2. And our height is equal to 4x. So we have area is equal to 1/2 times 4x times x plus 2, and 1/2 times 4 is equal to 2, so I could rewrite this as 2x times x plus 2, and that's equal to 2x times x is 2x squared, and 2x times 2 is equal to 4x. And now it asks, how does the area relate to the area of the non-shaded region? Area of the non-shaded region is equal to area of the rectangle minus area of the triangle. And now it wants us to find the polynomial that represents the area of the non-shaded region. So A is equal to 8x squared minus 2x minus 6 minus 2x squared plus 4x. And this is equal to 8x squared minus 2x squared is equal to 6x squared, and negative 2x minus 4x is negative 6x, and we have minus 6. And now it wants us to state the answer. So the area of the non-shaded region is 6x squared minus 6x minus 6 units squared. And that's our video on applications of polynomials part 2.